Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And before I get ringed out, I want to show you a 2013 Ford Explorer. This is the XLT trim package. We'll do a quick walk around on this. Now, this vehicle it's an all-wheel drive unit. It's got a 3.5 liter V6 engine in it. So let's go around here on the back. You can see it does have a backup camera right here. Let's take a look inside the hatch. Okay, there we got the hatch up. It does have third row seating. I've got the third row are up right now. They will fold down, so if you need to haul anything, you've got storage space right here. Look up overhead and you see you do have ceiling vents for your HVAC system. So we will continue our walk around. Show you the driver's side. Nice tinted windows on this. Looks to be good tread on the tires. Let's look inside. So here we are on the interior, black cloth interior. Show you the headliner. You do have heating, cooling controls for your back that are right there, and a power outlet for electronic devices. Now on your mirrors, two items. Number one, I hope you can see the little emblem. It does have heated mirrors, and it also has turn signals on both of them. And here we are looking at the inside. Give you a view. Let's go ahead and show you the door panel and we'll hop inside. Okay, I'm on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up, let you see everything come to life. It's actually very nice inside of here. Got two cup holders. Let's go in here on the instrument cluster first. You see right now the mileage as of now is 145,318 miles, which is right over here on the left. You can put different settings up here of your choosing. Now on your steering wheel controls here on the left, you do have your cruise control, different settings right here that will display on your instrument cluster. Over here to the right, you do have the Bluetooth capability. It'll connect to your smartphones, hands-free talking and calling. And you can control the volume of your stereo up and down. Now you get over here into the heart of the infotainment center and you see the large LCD display. I'm going to drop this down in reverse. You'll see the backup camera engage. Put it back up in park. And you do have your heating cooling system here. It does have dual climate control. So independent temperature settings for passenger versus driver. It does have CD player in it. Two cup holders, and you do have different drive modes that you can control here. Armrest folds up for storage space. So look over here on the passenger side and show you the back. And there's a lot of leg room back here, ladies and gentlemen. So that actually concludes our tour of our 2013 Ford Explorer 4x4 3.5 liter V6 engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Want to come up for a test drive? We'd welcome that. We've got a lot of financing options. So with that, hope you have a great day.